to Sprouts to get all of our good vegetables and fruit. Come on, girl, let's see what we can find. I love to put peppers in my food, so green peppers, this is a must. You have to have this to have a good dinner. I need all my berries, got to have those strawberries, the raspberries, and the blackberries, super good for me.
Blueberries.
Yes, can't forget that. Thanks, Mom. My new favorite store has my favorite drinks. Yeah, those poppies. I'm obsessed. I don't know which vegetable broth that we should get, so we're gonna ask her mom either this one or this one. Hey,
I think it's gonna be that one. She's gonna want.
This is organic, and she's like, I love organic.
I thought the other one was organic too.
Oh, it's vegan plant-based. I don't know. We're gonna show her both of them and see what she says about it.
Okay.
Vegetable broth you want?
This one is organic
I
and it's
knew
lighter.
it.
I said it
It's
too.
weird. It's
I
like
knew she
looks
was-
like cranberry juice is mixed.
It's time to season them. I love the seasoning. Yeah, make sure you're getting those good, girl. Think that's enough? It is very important to make sure you wash all of your fruits and vegetables, so I'm going to be washing my potatoes. It's time to cut my onions and my green peppers up, so let's start chopping. Pour some olive oil in this baby. I got these corn nice and seasoned. Oh yeah, you can't have corn without seasoning it. And it's time to pour them into this pot. I'm absolutely obsessed with corn. Are you obsessed? Duh, yes.